guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this curly hair combo on Dress to Impress. So we're going to go to the curly, I don't think it's here, I think it's like somewhere here. It's this hair. Toggle it to the second toggle and color it to whatever you want. I'm just going to color it brown for now. Then we are going to position the Y at 0.46 and then the scale to 0.62. Then we are going to grab this hair and toggle it to only bangs, color it the same. And then for this one, position the Y at 0.48 as well. Then the Z at 0.53. And scale it to 0.54. Then we're going to get this hair. I'm just going to color it the same as well. And then we're going to scale it to 0.17. Lastly, we're going to go to bangs here and we're going to grab this hair in that same color. Position the Z to 0.54 and then scale it to 0.72. And that is how you can create this curly hair combo on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.